Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. Given solve x belongs to real numbers, x cube minus cube root of 81x minus x is equal to 2x square minus 4 by 3x plus 2. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 900 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So let us take 3t minus 2 is equal to cube root of 81x minus 8. That implies 3t minus 2 whole cube is equal to 81x minus 8. So 3t minus 2 whole cube is 27t cube minus 54t square plus 36t minus 8 is equal to 81x minus 8. So 81x minus 8 get cancelled. 27t cube minus 54t square plus 36t is equal to 81x. Now all the terms will go in 3 table. So all will go in dividing by 27. Divide by 27. So here you'll get t cube minus 2t square 36 by 27t is equal to 3x. So this can be written as 3x is equal to t cube minus 2t square plus 4 by 3 t. Now, if you go to the given question, x cube minus cube root of 81x minus 8 is equal to 2x square minus 4 by 3x plus 2. So here if you substitute the value of t, x cube minus this you have taken as 3t minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 will get is equal to 2x square minus 4 by 3x plus 2. 2 to get cancelled. So 3t is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus 4 by 3x. In the same way, 3x is equal to, from here 3x is equal to t cube minus 2t square plus 4 by 3t. Now subtracting these two, subtracting these two values, so let us take it as 1 and 2. So you are doing 2 minus 1 now. Subtracting second one minus first one now. 3 into x minus t is equal to t minus x into, here you'll get t cube minus x cube, t minus x into t square plus xt plus x square. Here you'll get minus 2 common. t minus x into t plus x plus 4 by 3 into t minus x. So in all the terms t minus x is common. T minus x will take common. T minus x into, here we'll get 3 into t square plus xt plus x square, taking LCM also, minus 6 into t plus x plus 30 now is equal to 0. Now t minus x equal to 0, the second term 3 into t square into t square plus xt plus x square minus 6 into t plus x plus 13, it cannot be equal to 0. So t is equal to x, that implies x cube minus 2x square, x cube minus 2x square minus 5 by 3 minus 4 by 3. 4 by 3x is equal to 0. Here you can write x is equal to 0 or 3x square minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. So here x is equal to 3 plus or minus 2 root 6 by 3. Further, if you write x is equal to 1 plus or minus 2 into root 2 by okay ma. So here root 6 you can write it as root 2 by 3. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.